Hello everyone, we are from group 11 containing Alifa, Dini, Annisa, and then Mary Engyelia. Today we're gonna talk about batik wastewater treatment. Batik has been an integrated part of Indonesian culture for centuries. As a traditional textile art form, it has captured the attention of people around the world with its intricate design, vibrant colors, and unique patterns. The batik industry will inevitably produce a waste. One of the form of the waste generated by the batik industry is liquid waste. The liquid waste itself comes from dyeing and washing process. So, what should batik industry wastewater be treated before being discarded into the environment? This is because the wastewater in the batik industry contain chemicals such as acid, alkali, salt, and contain a heavy metal such as lead, chromium, and copper. And then it's contain organic waste such as protein, fats, and starch, and the other impurities. So, if this waste is not treated before being discarded into the environment, it will pollute the water around the industry and, of course, have a significant impact into the surrounding environment. Next is batik industrial wastewater treatment process. Okay, this is a wastewater installation route. Wastewater from the batik factory will be carried by a scum trap. And then the wastewater will enter the aerobic equilibrium tank. Physical sedimentation occurs in the tank. The next is the water will be directed to the river. And then the water will enter the system that has been designed as shown in the picture. And this is a design from the other side.
This is the wastewater installation line from the batik industry, which has an anaerobic equalization tube with a function as a reservoir for all wastewater before it enters the next unit, so that it has a stable discharge. Then, from the equalization tube, wastewater is pumped into the activated sludge reactor, which consists of a settling tank with a function to precipitate particles. Suspended organic matter which also function as a flow control tank, as well as a basin for decomposing organic compounds in the form of solids, classification, and sludge storage. The runoff water from the initial settling tank will then flow into the anaerobic biofilter reactor using the anaerobic and aerobic biofilter wastewater treatment process CAM. Inside the anaerobic biofilter reactor is filled with honeycomb-type plastic media. The anaerobic biofilter reactor consists of two chambers, namely the sedimentation basin and the setter bed. The composition of organic substance in wastewater is carried out by anaerobic or facultative aerobic bacteria. After several days of operation, a film of microorganisms will grow on the surface of the filter media that will decompose organic matters that has not had time to decompose in the settling tank. Next, the runoff water from the anaerobic biofilter reactor will flow into the anaerobic biofilter reactor that is filled with the media of a honeycomb. While being aerated by using a blower, the existing microorganism will decompose the organic matter present in the wastewater and grow and stick to the The runoff water flow into the biocontrol tap and then flow into the chlorine contactor. It is for the disinfection process to kill pathogenic microorganisms. Effluent water that comes out after the chlorination process can be directly discharged into rivers or a public canal. With a combination of anaerobic and aerobic process, besides being able to reduce organic matters like BOD and COD, ammonia, detergents, suspended solid, phosphate, and others. Uh, by using an aerobic and aerobic biofilter process, good quality treated water can be produced without requiring a lot of energy. Okay, next. This is one of the chaos that usually arise in the processing of factory industrial waste. Namely, there is still a lot of wastewater that pollutes water, such as contamination of water source and water rights in the surrounding environment due to the fact that the wastewater treatment has not been implemented or waste treatment is not up to standard. And there is a solution. The first is preventive measures. Is conduct research to find a wastewater treatment plant design that is cost effective but still safe for the environment. And the other solution is the countermeasures is conduct research to deal with the body waste that has polluted water waste, such as absorbent from the waste, water purification, and the wastewater treatment plant method for small scale industry. That's all regarding the processing of batik industrial wastewater treatment. If there is a mistake, we apologize. That's all from us. Thank you.